Welcome to J&J's test video of 9650. This is a 2000 C5 Corvette in a funky red color they repainted, and it's not the right color. You can see the right color. Let's see here. Right there. And then there's that. So it is what it is. Shows 36,000 miles. It does not have 36,000 miles. We'll run the Carfax on it. Has a low fuel. Show you what she sounds like. Where did I get my thing there? Runs all right. Transmission works. Interior's rough. Typical C5 Corvette stuff. Bolster's bad, climate control's a different color, sunroof, it's cracked and painted, and you know, it's hard to find nice ones nowadays, but it runs and drives. Gotta love the duct tape. All the duct tape. Oh, it's got packing tape over here. Alright, oh, where are we gonna put this thing? Let's go over here. Not a bad car, just not a nice car. Transmission works. Let's make sure the mirrors work. Headlights, wipers. All right, that's that. And as always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered.